up guys, it's Hunter here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to fix rust on your car. Alright, so what you need for this is some scraping tools. I like to use like a screwdriver, and this one has more of a sharper edge. You need a rust reformer. So this is pretty much like a rust sealant. It's what helps to stop the rust from growing back. You need a primer for the paint. I don't have that right now. And then you need your paint. I have my paint here, and I got it matched by the code. So this is the actual paint that you're supposed to use. You can usually find it in your like owner's manual or somewhere in the car, or you can look it up online and you're usually able to find it. Like this is the 1999 Buick Century Custom. So I type that into Google and I type like paint code, and it tells you the paint code, and then you can go to AutoZone or other paint stores, and it says on the label exactly what type of paint it is. Alright, so you see right here, this is almost too much rust to repair. Down there is for sure too much rust to repair, but if we bring it over to the other side of the car, here you can see that the rust isn't so bad, and this will actually be repairable. So what you start off doing is you have to scrape off pretty much all of the infected area with the rust.
Here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping out.
Alright, so now that I got most of the rust over there, I'm gonna put on my rust reformer. So usually what I'll do is I'll spray it into like up top of a pop can, or the bottom of a pop can, and then kind of dab it on to the metal here. But I don't want to take the time to do that right now because this car is really beyond repair, so I'm just going to spray it on. Now you just want to let this dry until it's dry, so I'd say like 20 minutes maybe. Alright, so this is what I was talking about spraying into a pop can. So when you spray it, it doesn't get all over the car like I just did. And now you can take a paintbrush or something and paint it onto all the rust spots, especially when you're working on a nicer... Alright, so the next step would then be to put the primer on this, but I'm not going to put primer on here because I don't really care that much about this car and I don't really want to waste it. But, so that means I'm just going to move on to just painting it right now. So I sprayed the spot a little bit, but I'm going to spray it a little bit more. One thing you might want to do is cover up your tires so you don't spray your tire on accident. Now I'm just going to spray the bottom down here, because as you can see the rust is pretty bad. I'm not going to deal with the primer or anything.
This shit way too big. When we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at post. Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 AM and I'm back up popping with the crew. I just landed in Chase B mixes pop like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, think my jewelry.
So that's gonna finish up how to fix the rust. I don't know if it looks any better. It looks a little bit better from far away. Up close it's still pretty bad, but I'm just trying to make it look a little bit better so I can sell it for 500 bucks or whatever. So that's going to finish up the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe, like the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Really selling fruits and they joking, man. Know the crackers wish you was a news. Sunset.
Surrender, retreat, we all into